Supertech Electronics, and we're going to remove a Hyundai Sante Fe sound system. Tools you will need is a plastic spudger and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first section we're going to remove is these air vents that sit beside the radio, and you'll need to get your spudger in there and you'll need to pry them out. Alrighty, our vents are loose. To get them out, you'll need to get your spudger under there and pry them out, and just be gentle so that you don't mark the dash. And same with the other one, pry it out. It is held in with these clips, so it won't give up without a little bit of a fight. And that's going to present us with 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Ours are out. You'll need to remove those 4 screws. Okay, now that we've got the screws out, the whole radio will come out. Now it is connected by some electrical harnesses at the back. We've got ours out for video purposes, but grab it by both hands and unplug these guys here. That one in particular, you just press the middle pin and push it out. Same with that one, and this one will have a little pin there. And that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.